Today we're making glow-in-the-dark glitter slime today. My friend Anish is here to help me, so we'll do this together as a team. Let's do this. So first, it says measure 15 ml of the clear glue using the supplied measuring cup. Pour it into a bowl, scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible.
20 ml. I'll tell you 120 ml.
No, it says Wait, hold on guys. We got the wrong instructions. We're going to do opaque slime.
What is opaque slime?
Just like that.
Opaque is the one that is not transparent. Opaque means light cannot enter into that. For transparent slime you need clear glue. For opaque slime you need the white glue.
So it will not show like. Wait.
Yeah.
So Mr. 30 ml.
30 ml.
Tell me when it is at.
It has to be full if it's 30 ml.
No, it's going to be like up here. Like.
I'll tell you when to stop. Don't, it's not 30 ml.
No, it's 15.
Oh, 15. Yeah, it's 15 ml.
Then, Ma, can you get the water so I can pour it for 30 ml? I mean.
Your hand is showing.
No, good. Okay, and
Water. Nothing. Wait, 30 ml? No, we should pour all of it.
then guys, mix it well.
Can I mix it? Just too much water, I think. Yeah, there's too much water. Can you put some more glue because there's too much water.
Okay.
It's watery.
It's on.
Maybe a little bit.
Little bit more glue.
Yeah.
Should I add? Okay.
Tell you when to stop.
Like that.
A little. I'll just tell you when to stop. Stop. That's
Okay.
maybe enough. I think so.
Yeah, I think it will turn out enough.
It's still watery.
Yeah, that means okay. And then guys, choose your additive. So, for example, I'll
We'll use green.
use green. We don't have a spoon on each, so I'm trying to use the stick.
Yeah,
Whoa, it's splattered. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we run out of that. Oh, this one.
This one? No. We should add a little bit more, I think. Let's see if if it's a little bit more.
Yeah, we'll add blue.
No, no, green, green. Green is her favorite color. So let's add green.
More green. Good.
It's light. We want it a little dark.
That's enough.
That's we might need a little bit more. Put it. Let's see. Yeah. Dot.
What I mean.
Well, let's just mix it. And then let's see. It's.
Guys, hold on.
It's too watery still. It's too watery. It's water. Still water.
Yeah, so
Watery?
Yeah.
Oh, did you guys have more water?
Yeah, it's like in 30 ml. It's almost. Like
Yeah, still-
near 20.
But you haven't put the slime activator yet, right?
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
maybe.
First you have to put the slime activator. And then you have to put the glitter also. Put the glitter.
When? Now? Wait, we have to put the glitter.
Put more of that neon. Glow in the dark. That's not the glow in the dark.
Yeah.
Where is that white one? That's the glow in the dark.
Oh, sorry.
How about sprinkles?
Yeah, and then do the sprinkles too.
Oh, sorry. I thought the green one. It's the white one.
Messed up.
Yeah.
But it still will be fixed. Just need to add that, then it will be fixed. That's all.
Yeah. We just have to fix it, I think. Guys, I think we did a little mistake.
Why?
Because we added the wrong colorant.
That's okay. You can add to that.
We put green and that's the color that I wanted. Okay, let's mix it.
No, wait. I think the rest of the colorant is
Okay. Just take some and mix it. We need the slime activator? How about the slime activator? Pour it in the cup. How much?
5. That's enough.
Pour it?
No, wait, don't mix it yet. We just need some.
Hello?
Just need the.
Hi, Ramya. How are you?
Wait, what is the glitter?
Sorry.
Glitter.
Paul,
I want the glitter.
before I mix it.
Nanda, I ಕೆಲಸ I think Shai was just checking the messages. Ramya has written 6:30 in that. So we'll meet
A little
around
bit more.
6:30, alla? That way,
Enough.
at least. I know that address is the Cine Bistro address. ನೀನು ರಮ್ಯಾ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ದಾ?
Oh, nice.
A little bit more.
Guys, this is
Still a little bit water.
Oh, okay.
I'll tell you more.
Okay. ಇವಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ದೂರ ನಿಮಗೆ?
We need a little bit
Okay,
more slime
okay.
activator.
ನಂಗೂ
It's
45
water.
ಇದೆ, around 50 minutes ನಂಗೂ. I told Ramya, I'm fine with Atlantic Station bucket anywhere ಅಂತ. Then she said, no, let's do Brookhaven if it's okay.
Then it will make more slime. Okay, alright guys, that's the end of the video. And I think, tell us what more we can do about our slime. And super
I know we
slimy.
have to go and clean the sunburst.
So it's super slimy. So that's all for our video guys. See you next time.